Sometimes it's the easy things, a little bit of fresh mint, which I'm lucky enough to have growing outside in a pot outside my door. That's the ideal situation where possible. And I'm using peppermint. And I've made a simple little pot of tea. Boiling water poured over the mint leaves. Wait and have a couple of little moments for the tea to draw, as the expression goes, and for you to relax before pouring a lovely little glass of this lovely, delicious green liquid. But before I pour, look at the pot. I mean, for goodness sake. These apparently used to be on sale in Cape Carney's cottage on around the Ring of Kerry. Am I correct in saying that? And you can see it's encrusted with all sorts of little crustaceans, like a little conch. I think it's so beautiful. And then into a little Moroccan tea glass, but could be just an ordinary tea glass, could be an Irish little glass if you wanted. Such a simple thing, complete pleasure, complete joy. And then all this little configuration of lovely little things sitting on this beautiful little plate from Castle Arch Pottery in County Kilkenny. And somehow all these colours, the textures, everything about this works for me. I just love it.